right, so this is Zariah and Zanaya. They are twins, and they are 1 year old now, and we've been adjusting them since soon after they were born. Right, Mom? Since how were they born?
They were about 6 months when we brought them in here, and they were born C-section. So they were really bad in their necks.
Yeah, so you just wanted to make sure because, you know, a C-section birth can be traumatic on the baby, and so you just wanted to make sure that they were in proper alignment. And so we've been adjusting sisters now for a couple of months, and how have they been doing?
They're doing a lot better. They were having really bad sinuses and stuff, but I haven't had any of those issues for the past, about 3 months or so? About 3 or 4 months. Uh-oh, I'm getting down.
All right, you ready to go back to Mama? Yes? Okay.